Sticky Fishy Fishing.
Yo, what up guys? This is Sticky Fishy Fishing. Just down here off the jetty, catching some herring for bait. I'm going to show you how to catch them. Alright guys, just down here off the jetty today, going to catch a few herring. Just fishing with a sabiki bait jig, 6-hook bait jig. Little size 14 hooks for the herring, works perfect. Let's see if we can get a few. Just a basic technique. Just drop it straight over the edge of the jetty. Just slowly lift it up and down like that. Good way to collect fresh bait. Buy yourself a bait jig, $5 from the tackle store. Works a treat. You can't beat fresh bait. There we go there. Nice little herring. That's what we're after. Some little herring just like that. Let's see if we can get a few more. You can catch them off most jetties, round bridge pylons, stuff like that. You'll find them. There we go, there's another little one just there. Another nice little herring. Another little herring there. Bait jig's working well. They make great bait, these herring. They're good live, but it doesn't matter if they're dead. They also work good. Flathead, brim, snapper. There's not much out there that won't eat a herring. It's basic technique, just up, down. It's pretty simple. Anyone can catch them. Just got to find where they are, and it's a good chance you're going to get them. What have we got this time? Oh, a little chopper tailor. Don't want to keep him. He's undersized, little tailor. They've got to be 30 centimetres to keep him, so you don't want to keep the little tailor. You can find them all the way up the east coast, herring. The last video I made, I was at the Tweed River fishing off a bridge pylon catching them. This time I'm in Port Stephens, just fishing off a jetty. Go. Another nice little herring there. Oh, fell off. Another nice little herring. Look at them perfect little baits. You can take them home, put them in a bag, whack some salt on them, salt them down, firms them up a bit, so next time you get them out the freezer they're not real soft. It's a good way to harden them up a bit. Go. It's a bit bigger herring, it's a nice size one. Just talking to that fella then, he's been getting done here by sharks off the wharf at night. I was just telling him to use a bit of wire, the single strand wire. Well, there we go guys, that's the 20 herring. Take it on a 6-hook bait jig, sabiki. Size 14 hooks and just a little bomb sinker on the bottom. Depends how much current there is, depends on what size sinker you need to use. Because it's not too much here, I just go with that little bomb sinker. So yeah, got our 20 herring. Time to head home. and I'll show you how to salt them down.
Here's the herring I caught, guys. Just got him in a glad bag. Just going to put a bit of salt in him. Just a bit of table salt, rock salt, pool salt, anything like that does the trick. Just put a bit in there. Don't be shy. More salt, the better. That firmens them up a bit. Go there. Give them a bit of a shake around. A bit more salt. There we go there. It's a nice herring, salted down. Roll them up, get the air out of them. There you go. Ready to go, whack them in the freezer. Next time you go fishing, you got bait. Can't beat free bait, especially herring. Good bait too. Okay guys, if you like that video, hit the like button, subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. Cheers.
Sticky Fishy Fishing.